for example.
Great, thank you. Another is, how do you balance user needs and business objectives during the design thinking process?
Right. Well, I was hoping I might get a question like this. I'm very much of the view that companies do not want to make user experiences and customer experiences better just because they want to be nice. There's a reason why I am approached to help an organization make the user and customer experiences better. And it's generally because they have a target, or they want to improve their bottom line, or they want to increase their profit by 12% next year, or whatever it is. And I am a firm believer that we have to understand what the business objectives and goals are before we start on a user experience design project. So certainly the larger organizations, I've been asked to come in as a UX consultant. I have to be able to do my job properly, I have to have a period of immersion in that company, in that business, because I need to understand what is it that they want to achieve from this project. Let's just park the user and customer for a second. They're very important because they're the ones who keep us in business. But what is it that you actually want? And I think that's what makes me a little bit different in that respect, is that I do understand there is a business need for user and customer experience. Right. And I think when you put those two together, the needs of the business as well as the needs of the customer, the user, that's where we get the best results.